Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by Ed Terra Adventures.
Hi guys, we are the students of the Hyderabad Public School Ramantapur. I'm myself Moksha. I'm with my friends
Lakshay, Siddharth,
Shruti.
and Avdut.
So we're going to be sharing our journey experiences in Chandigarh, Jalandhar and Amritsar in the form of a podcast.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
On the first day, we had a wonderful time exploring Chandigarh. We began our day at the Rock Garden, which felt like stepping into a creative wonderland. The sculptures, all made from recycled materials like broken tiles, glass, and ceramics, were so unique that every corner had something new to admire. From there, we moved on to Sukna Lake. The lake's calm waters, surrounded by greenery, created such a peaceful atmosphere. I took a stroll along the promenade, felt the cool breeze, and even played bumper cars, which brought out my playful side. In the evening, we headed to Sector 17 Market, the city's most vibrant shopping hub. The market was buzzing with people, colorful shops, and street performers. I explored the stores, picked up some souvenirs, and tried a few snacks, which added a tasty local flavor to the experience. By the end of the day, I felt like I had truly seen the artistic, natural, and cultural side of Chandigarh. The second day was just incredible. We started our day at the Pushpa Gujral Science City, and trust me, it is just not for science geeks. From virtual reality to space exhibits, there was so much to explore and learn. Then we hopped on the bus with all our friends, and that ride, total vibe. Musics, jokes, snacks, and just that pure road trip energy. Finally, we reached the majestic Gobindgarh Fort in Amritsar. The history, the light, and the sound show the old weapons. It felt like walking through time. This day had the perfect mix of fun, learning, and friendship. Definitely one for the books.
Day 3 began at the Golden Temple. As we transitioned from the regular road into the sacred space, everything felt different. The culture and devotion was heartwarming in a way that I can't explain. Experiencing that and being surrounded by Punjabi culture in its most authentic form was mind-blowing. From there, we visited Jallianwala Bagh. Seeing the well where people jumped to escape bullets and the walls that still bear bullet marks was heartbreaking. There's something haunting about standing in a place where so many lives were lost. The day culminated with a visit to the Wagah border, and the energy was something else. The crowd was hyped, waving flags, cheering, and dancing, and our soldiers were pulling off stunts that made our chests swell with pride. But what struck us most was the strange balance. Intense rivalry, yes, but also a sort of unspoken unity between the people on both sides of the border. Everyone was proud, loud, and full of that spirit of India that never fades.
On day 4, after a busy morning of finally finishing the media projects, a huge relief by the way, we immersed ourselves in the history at the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum, and what history it was. We are talking with the Lion of Punjab, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, a visionary who united the fragmented Sikh muscles and established the mighty empire in the early 19th century. Walking through the halls, you can almost feel the presence of this secular ruler who not only built a formidable Khalsa army but also a religious tolerance. He appointed officials from all faith and even finding the building of Harmandir Sahib, making it the iconic Golden Temple we know today. We started our journey to the airport. Then we enjoyed the Punjab legacy of Maharaja Ranjit Singh and vibrant history of Punjab. This will truly be a journey that we will remember for our life.
Overall, we had a complete walk through the tales on time and culture of the land of Punjab. I would like to conclude my words with a short poem I have written. The pride of the Singh lineage, a timeless legacy of royalty and valor. Flowing rivers hum the name of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, a dwelling where culture and courage live as one within. In the air between the walls echoes the song of tales. Inside Gobindgarh Fort, the spirit of battle still prevails. History speaks not with tongue but with stones that last, a radiant testament of various sacrifices from the past. This land is not a mere fragment of earth but truly the birthplace of valor and historic world. Lastly, I would like to thank our principal sir for providing us this opportunity and the Itera Adventures for organizing such an amazing trip with a beautiful and mesmerizing itinerary and the places which were absolutely good and guiding us through our journey. Also, the teachers who have accompanied us, been supporting us and taking care of us. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.